This is how we can conditionally render the list inside the React.js. Let's take a look at that. Here I am rendering the list of skills with their levels. I am rendering those skills from this array of objects. If we don't have any element here, just like this, then in that condition, we don't have the list on the UI as well. See, here we don't have any list. Now in this condition, I want to show some text. That is, there are no skills to show. And this text I want to show here. How we can do that? First, I will declare here one variable. Now I will write here our array name, that is skills data, and I will apply the length method. So this will give us the length of this skills data into this skills variable. Now based on this, I want to render the list. For that, here I will write my conditions. If we have skills greater than 0, in that case, I want to show this list. So I will write here ternary operator. And if we don't have the data inside the list, I will show here one paragraph. In this paragraph, I will write there are no skills to show. Let's save this. Now let's take a look into the UI. As you can see here, there are no skills to show. I will uncomment this part now. Let's save this. And here we can see we have the list now. And if we just comment this, then we can see here we have that there are no skills to show. So